If you've just bought a new TV from The Good Guys, our professional installers are ready to help out, making the process as easy and as simple as can be. Before our installer arrives, check your television will fit in the existing space and that there's easy access if you're upstairs. Keep pets and kids out of the way so we can get the job done safely. Our wall mount installation service requires a working power point and antenna connection point within 1 metre of your desired installation point. Have peace of mind knowing that if your new TV is more than 1 metre from the power point, needing more time and extra materials, we're upfront about additional charges. Now let me take you through the installation process step by step so you know what to expect. Step 1. First up, our installer will inspect your connections and installation point. Step 2. Our installer will install your TV to your desired location. Step 3. Our installer will connect it to your existing power and antenna within 1 metre of the installation point. Step 4. Our installer will connect up to 2 additional components like Foxtel or Xbox. Step 5. Our installer will turn the unit on to make sure it's working. And remember, all work by the Good Guys Home Services team is fully guaranteed and complies with all state and territory compliance codes. Enjoy your new appliance from the Good Guys and thanks for watching.